Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see a very healthy, interesting zucchini recipe, which is zucchini roll-ups or stuffed zucchini rolls. For me, it's basically a summer salad done in an interesting way, which you can enjoy either as an appetizer or snack or as a side dish. So friends, let's get started with this healthy zucchini recipe. So here is the zucchini. First we need to cut both the ends. And now with the help of a peeler, we need to peel the zucchini lengthwise. So in this way we need to peel it. So peeling of the zucchini is done. Next I am going to cut some veggies. So here I have taken a small portion of an English cucumber. First slice lengthwise and then cut into thin long strips, approx 2 to 3 inches long. Next I will slice red, green and yellow bell peppers in the same way. So cutting of the veggies is done. I have included colorful veggies which we generally take in salads like cucumber, carrots, bell peppers. And now time to make our zucchini roll-ups. First take a zucchini slice, then you will also need some sour cream. Now generously apply some sour cream, spreading evenly on the zucchini slice. Now add the veggies one by one and place in the zucchini slice in this way. You can add coriander, also known as cilantro, or basil or even mint along the veggies for some fresh flavors. Next sprinkle a pinch of salt, black pepper, oregano and chili flakes on the zucchini slice. And now tightly roll the zucchini slice, but do this very gently. And the sour cream which we had applied will help to bind the roll together. And here it goes. And in the same way, I'll prepare some more zucchini roll-ups or stuffed zucchini rolls. So here goes the veggies cut lengthwise, along with a sprig of cilantro. Then goes the seasonings. And now very firmly but very gently roll it up. Here it goes. And now time to plate our zucchini roll-ups. This zucchini roll-ups or stuffed zucchini rolls are an ideal appetizer for any parties and an interesting way to enjoy as salad that tastes so good besides being healthy also. So friends, do try this quick, easy and interesting zucchini recipe. Also do share your feedbacks, and if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do so for more interesting, yummy and healthy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.